This is one of the first events in the Arab world to highlight the innovation and the creativity around the world. And from the setting that I've seen so far, it's very impressive, very impressive place, and that highlights the vision the leadership here has in terms of infusing and having innovation, creativity as a catalyst to be infused in all the economy, because it's actually one of the biggest economic drivers that will enhance everything. So I've come here, I've been invited to give a talk about technology, the future, artificial intelligence, and how that's going to affect all the segments and sectors of our lives. And then I'll also give an example specifically about the driverless cars and how what impact it's going to have on social, economic, and everything else. Technology right now has actually has enabled more and more innovations to take place. For example, look at if I talk in space, look about the miniaturization of technology. Before, about 20 years ago, you used to launch a satellite. It used to cost you maybe $400–500 million. Now you can launch one with a fraction of that cost, and have become so mainstream that a lot of startups can actually go into that business because technology is cheaper. You don't need as much space. You can actually have better access to space. So that's creating a whole bunch of infrastructure to a lot of new startups to go into that space. So the advancements in computation, quantum computing, for example, artificial intelligence, 3D manufacturing, all these are putting the foundation and the basis to create new companies and be able to change our lives in every single way that we know it, actually, to the better.